Kiss the baby. Pico, he goes, kiss the baby. Oh, goodness. Oh, goodness. Oh, precious boy. Ooh, we got his pacifier. I said, num, num, num. Oh, goodness. One calms down the boobies and one's just visiting. Look how he holds his pacifier. He always says that. He said, "Ooh, I'm on TV. I'll be on TV."